Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary, the 2025 Harley-Davidson VR2. This is the bike that might just change the way we think about motorcycling. With its sleek design, advanced tech, and powerful performance, the VR2 represents a bold step into the future. Let's break down everything we know so far. Unveiling the VR2, a new vision. The 2025 VR2 marks a new chapter for Harley-Davidson, blending the brand's iconic style with cutting-edge technology. The bike features a futuristic design, with aerodynamic lines and a lightweight frame, making it not just a performance machine, but also a visual masterpiece. It's clear Harley's taking the lessons from their past, and combining them with next-gen innovations for a truly modern experience. Power and performance. At the heart of the VR2 is an impressive powertrain. The bike is rumored to be powered by a state-of-the-art V-twin engine, delivering exceptional torque and acceleration. Whether you're cruising on highways or tearing up winding roads, the VR2 promises a responsive, dynamic ride. What sets this bike apart, though, is the integration of advanced electronics and rider assistance systems that optimize performance in real time. Tech features. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 VR2 is its tech suite. From a fully integrated touchscreen display to advanced navigation and rider feedback, the VR2 offers an intelligent, connected riding experience. It includes adaptive cruise control, integrated smartphone syncing, and even AI-based suspension adjustments to ensure smooth riding on all terrains. With this level of tech, the VR2 is almost like riding a bike from the future. Design and style. Harley-Davidson has always been known for its iconic designs, and the VR2 continues this legacy while pushing the envelope. The sleek lines, modern aesthetics, and ergonomic design choices make this bike stand out. The lightweight frame and minimalistic design are complemented by the latest materials, ensuring durability while reducing weight and enhancing overall performance. Safety and comfort. Riding a Harley is not just about power, it's about comfort and safety. The VR2 takes both of these aspects to heart. With advanced safety systems like anti-lock brakes, traction control, and an intelligent cornering assist system, riders can enjoy peace of mind on every ride. The new suspension system also provides a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and ensuring stability on even the toughest roads. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson VR2 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a vision of the future. With advanced performance capabilities, next-level tech, and stunning design, the VR2 promises to be a game-changer in the world of motorcycling. If you're looking for a bike that embodies both tradition and innovation, the VR2 might just be your dream ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in the world of motorcycles. See you in the next video.